All right, all right, all right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency. You know, mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for BlockFi credit card to get rewards back in Bitcoin, all kinds of good stuff. Today, we're going to be talking about the cryptocurrency Safemoon. Yep, we're going to kind of do a little deep dive. A lot of things are going on with it. I like the coin. In the last 24 hours, it's up about 1%. In 7 days, it's down about 0.5%. You know, what is Safemoon and can it safely reach the moon? We will see. We're going to go over to the Twitter account, look at a few things, go over to the website, do a little deep dive. Got an article to dig into, all kinds of good stuff. Also, Crypto.com and FTX is going to be spending millions and millions of dollars on the Super Bowl ads coming up in February. Now, the interesting thing about that is everybody's always wondering, what's the best Super Bowl commercial? What's this? What's that? Is it Doritos? Is it this? You know what? This year coming up, I'm telling you right now, before we even get to next year, the best Super Bowl commercials are going to be crypto commercials. It's either going to be FTX or Crypto.com. Go ahead. Go back and watch this video in 2 or 3 months from now when I said it here first. Because the Super Bowl commercials are always what people are looking into, and FTX and Crypto.com are going to spend millions on the Super Bowl. Yeah, everybody, crypto is going to be known all around the planet. Thank you, the Super Bowl. Thank you, Tom Brady. Thank you, Crypto.com. Buying the Lakers Staples Center is now Crypto.com. All kinds of good stuff. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help every single person learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and one day even own some cryptocurrency. Safemoon has a nice little thing that if you hold the coin for long term, part of the fees they actually give back to the holders. So we're gonna go dig into that too. So all right, everybody, let's head over to Safemoon cryptocurrency. All right, over here, Coin Market Cap, Safemoon is the 223rd cryptocurrency listed. It's up about 1% in the last 24 hours, and it's down about 1.6% in the last 7 days. Take a look to the right here, it's up about 1%. The circulation Safemoon is around 59%, so there's 41% still available. Taking a look at what's been going on in Safemoon in the last 7 days. Yes, you got some spikes, and they're coming back down. They've got some spikes, and they're coming back down. So the price has been kind of level. The key thing is these articles we're going to dig into. Wanted to go over this. The migration to Safemoon V2 is well underway. To continue our efforts, the process as of the 24th, the V1 contract tax rate will be changed to 20%. So they're migrating all the V1s to the V2s. And I thought this was kind of funny. This is Safemoon's army chasing the FUD away. So take a look at us chasing the FUD away. Yep, Safemoon army chasing the FUD away. You know, right here on the Twitter account, there's a whole chart on how you should migrate my Safemoon tokens to V2. We went through this about 2 episodes ago. I'm not going to go through it in detail, but go over to the Twitter account. There's a whole little chart right here. You know, here, I'll start it off with, you know, do you use Safemoon wallet app? It's a yes or no. If you say yes, you go up to the top, and it says make sure you update the latest version of the app and follow the consolidation process to the wallet. Let's say you said no. Then you would go to the no, and then it says, do you use another wallet? Trust Wallet, MetaMask, Binance Chain Wallet, Math Wallet, and then it's a yes or no. If you say no, you go down and you follow the no's. If you say yes. So again, right on the Twitter account, there's a whole entire chart of how you can migrate your Safemoon V1s to V2s. You definitely want to do that. You know, you got to love Leonardo DiCaprio in here. You know, he's their little Safemoon thing right here. I'll give you the future. You got it, Safemoon. One more time, I'll give you the future. Yep, Safemoon is kind of going to be big here, everybody. All right, going over to this article. What is Safemoon and can it safely reach the moon? Oh, there's our logo. Take a look at that. I like that logo for sure. There's a lot of good stuff in this article, everybody. Safemoon is a relatively new comer to cryptocurrency market. It has high transaction fees of 10%, but the 10%, it does something with it. Safemoon, like the better known crypto coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum blockchain, Ether is based on a distributed ledger technology, and it was created in March of 2021 on the Binance Smart Chain. Safemoon creator says it was designed to intentionally encourage long-term investments. So take a look at that. Intentionally kind of encourage long-term investments. Half of the 10% charge during the transaction is shared among the long-term holders. So they take the 10%, half of that goes to the long-term holders. The other liquidity pool is intended to stabilize the price of Safemoon. In contrast, Dogecoin and Shiba Coin A number of other cryptocurrencies seem to be on the surface to either be a joke or bogus. But just like Dogecoin Mars and other smaller cryptocurrency breeds, Safemoon appears to be trying to cash in on the Dogecoin popularity by investing in meme coins. Because the fee for, now this is where the controversy comes in. Because the fee for buying into Safemoon goes into the early investors, Safemoon has been regarded by some investors as a Ponzi scheme because some of the money is going back. The project founder says the design of Safemoon for long-term investments and the 10% transaction fee is set intentionally high to discourage people from selling the coin and encourage them from long-term holdings. So you got one viewpoint, another viewpoint. This is just important to know if you're going to invest. Safemoon is considered among the riskier investments in the crypto world. Like Shiba, Safemoon has no particular use. It derives the whole value solely by investors buying into it, which is why some are calling it a shitcoin. I like Safemoon. I think I'm actually going to go out to Utah and get a tour of everything. But I actually like Safemoon. That's why I'm going to start doing 1 or 2 videos a week on Safemoon. What is Safemoon and why is it famous? Safemoon cryptocurrency token was launched in a BEP20 token on the Binance Smart Chain in the blockchain ecosystem. The DeFi ecosystem is not regulated by central banks, but the assets shows publicly in blockchain networks. Assets are being held through an intermediate exchange. The BSC blockchain incorporates Safemoon to run in a CeFi ecosystem. What's the history of Safemoon? Here's interesting. There's 2.9 million holders of the coin. That's a lot. So give us your thoughts in the bottom. What do you think of Safemoon being a Ponzi scheme? I don't really think it is. I understand what they're trying to do. They're taking 10% of the fees and they're moving it over here. 5% is going to the investors that have been holding the coin. 5% is going back to liquidity pools. I actually like Safemoon. They are designing it to be a long-term hold, not to just buy it and a month later flip it. So they'll hold it a little bit. So there's that. Give us your thoughts in the bottom. Do you own some Safemoon? Do you like it? People on the channel who have put their comments in here, they love Safemoon. They want me to do more videos on it. So that's what we're doing. All right, let's go ahead and check out the FTX and Crypto.com real quick. Right here, Crypto.com, FTX to shell out millions for SuperBowl ads. The cryptocurrency exchanges are capitalizing on the popularity of digital currency while attempting to separate themselves from the pack. Cryptocurrency exchanges are officially aiming for the mainstream. The Crypto.com and FTX both plan on running ads during the Super Bowl, the most watched annual television event in the country. So take a look at this. The Singapore company, Crypto.com, the company purchased exclusive naming rights, what was formerly known as the Staples Center in Los Angeles for $700 million. So $700 million for 20 years. Now they're going to be advertising in the Super Bowl. A 30-second commercial runs at about $5.5 million. So $5.5 million, they're going to be pumping the TV. Tom Brady's going to be on there. Crypto.com's be on there. There's going to be all kinds of things. Could you imagine if Tom Brady's in the Super Bowl and he's pumping the cryptocurrency on TV? Okay, it could happen. It could be Tom Brady against the New England Patriots. Oh boy. Cryptocurrencies have a breakthrough moment and a Bitcoin price is reaching a record high in the recent months. Now Crypto.com and FTX are looking to capitalize on the digital currency moment in the sun. All right, everybody. Here's another one. Earlier this year, FTX paid $135 million for a 19-year contract for the naming rights for the NBA Heat arena in South Beach. So FTX is going to be supporting the Miami Heat in their arena, and Crypto.com is going to be supporting the Lakers in their arena. Are you seeing it? Are you starting to see what's going on, everybody? Crypto's taking over. It's not going anywhere. I've been saying that for months. In September, FTX announced a secured NFL star Tom Brady and his model wife for a $20 million ad campaign. So yeah, they're spending $20 million to get the word out there. And here's the last thing. Competition from the crypto market exchanges is driving an increasing advertisement. With more than 500 cryptocurrency exchanges, companies are jockeying to get the recognition. Yeah, FTX and Crypto.com, they seem to be leading the pack. Kind of like McDonald's or Burger King, Crypto.com, FTX. I don't know who the number one is and number two. I like them both. So if you're going to be, I know you're going to. If you're going to be watching the Super Bowl, I know you're going to because everybody watches the Super Bowl. You're going to hear about cryptocurrency from FTX and Crypto.com. I actually like that because everybody's going to know about cryptocurrency, learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency. Safemoon, I like this coin too. I know it's a little bit newer. I don't think it's a Ponzi scheme. I understand what their strategy is. Let's head back over to a price prediction, check out a little bit more Safemoon. All right, so there's 5 zeros and a 1473. My prediction is going to go to 5 zeros and 3000. That would be a 2x. Again, all of my information is for educational purposes only. I just like this coin. I think it's going to go. It's got a big army, a lot of supporters. People like the Safemoon. They really, really do. So I see a lot of promise in this token. Again, information for educational purposes only. Just rallying a few of these tokens around here. Doing the top 10 here. Avalanche is at number 10. It's up about 11%. 11% in 24 and 7 days. Look at Luna. I did 2 videos on Luna in the last 3 weeks. I hope you watched them. They're up 50% in 7 days. 50% Luna is up. Holy cow, everybody. XRP's up 19% in 7 days. Cardano's up 17% in 7 days. Solana's up 10%, 8% in 24 hours, 10% in 7 days. Even Bitcoin is up 9% in 7 days, over 50,000. Ethereum's holding it over 4,000. All right, everybody. Safemoon, cryptocurrency. Give us your thoughts in the bottom. What do you think? Monday through Friday, we're bringing a video every single day at noon Eastern Standard Time. We do bonus videos Monday through Friday at 5 o'clock and 8 o'clock. There could be 2 sometimes. There could be 1, but 5 and 8 is our slots. And on the weekends, we do a video around 3 to 4 o'clock. Don't forget to click right here to see our most recent video. Share this with your friends. Give us your thoughts on Safemoon. I really like this coin. I think I'll be making a trip come the first 3 or 4 months of next year out to Utah to check out the headquarters. So, hey everybody, Frank from Frank's Crypto Corner. Let's keep rocking and rolling. Cryptocurrency. It's Christmas Eve. Have a great day.